Yo, what's up, guys? Teacher Paul here, and today we are reacting to a very nice gesture. So, Aussie Dub was talking about nature from Australia, and Nami was like, she bought a coffee for Aussie Dub, which I love this exchange where members can, you know, request a video and then have another member choose the video. It's a very nice community thing. So thank you so much, Aussie Deb, for selecting the video, and thank you, Nami, for requesting it. This is the Laughing Kookaburra, a short documentary style Australian bird. Let's check this out. And if you want to watch this without my reaction and commentary, go to the link, which is in the description. Let's go. Australian nature. I think one of the most beautiful in the world. You guys have so many unique animals.
Featuring on the Australian $20 bill, the laughing kookaburra is one of the larger members of the kingfisher family.
Wait, let's take a look at that again. They're on the note. Kookaburra. Kookaburra.
Featuring on the Australian $20 bill, the laughing kookaburra is one of the larger members of the kingfisher family and is well known for its unique laughing-like calls. These territorial calls warn other birds in the area and can be heard early in the mornings or late of an afternoon.
They wake up laughing. So wait a second. If the laughter is a warning to other birds, are they laughing out of nervousness? Is that it?
Found across eastern Australia, the laughing kookaburra is a scruffy-looking hunter. Approximately 45 centimetres or 18 inches long with a very large bill. Sporting an off-white head and underside, a distinctive dark brown eye stripe, brown wings with lighter flecks
and blue
hues, and a brown and off-white barred tail.
Guys, in life, always be a laughing kookaburra. Doesn't matter if danger is coming, just laugh and keep on going. You know, don't worry.
Males will typically sport more blue on their wings than the females, and only the male will have blue in their tail feathers.
Shake your tail feather.
The Aussie kookaburra is carnivorous and will eat insects, frogs, reptiles, small birds and rodents,
frogs?
Just to name a few.
Small frogs, right? Wait a second. They look so small. How do they eat frogs? They look like the size of a frog.
Small birds and rodents, just...
Small birds and rodents. What? Wait a second.
Insects, frogs, reptiles, small birds and rodents, just to name a few.
Oh. They don't need to swallow it whole, right? Yeah, they can just pick it. Okay. Yeah, okay. Makes sense.
Often perched upon an overhead branch before swooping down and picking off its prey with their large bill.
Wow.
Kookaburras will kill and break apart their catch by bashing it into a nearby rock, branch, or even straight into the ground before swallowing.
They're not too friendly, are they? Obviously, they need to they need to feed, but it's a laughing kookaburra. The name laughing kind of indicates that it's friendly, but no, it's quite a fierce predator. Dang, so it bashes it onto the rock. That's crazy.
It is believed that laughing kookaburras pair for life. Their breeding season is from August to January. Being a predator themselves does not mean that they are not preyed upon by others.
Thank you for the coffee
Wedge-tailed
request.
eagles, cats, hawks, owls, foxes, and even butcher birds will take a kookaburra if given the opportunity.
Wow. It kind of sounds like the noise the monkey makes. Low key.
Next week, we are back on the hunt. The roar is kicking off, and the boys have a date with some red deer.
Wow. Red deer. Yay, we should do more nature from Australia. You know, I love these type of educational videos. They are they show a part of the world that is like very unique and very different. I like these type of videos. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, it was a short video. Thank you so much, Aussie Deb, for suggesting this video, and thank you, Nami, for requesting it. Guys, if you want to catch me live, we're all here on Twitch, and if you want to show me something really cool from Australia, you can go over to Buy Me a Coffee to request a video, or you can leave a suggestion in the comments. But click over here to see my Australia playlist, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.